Yo, yo, it's about to get real. We in the snow. Like, yo, oh, I don't wanna bust my ass, so I'm walking real slow. You already know, we about to go in the snow. Ow, 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 ow. This is my nigga, Steven. You can't even see it. Do a snow angel.
Up? I just gained 80 pounds on the spot.
Damn, I can't even see you, dog. There we go. Yo. Spinach 16. Me.
Yo. I got this big ass coat. Looking like a boat. I got a scarf on my face, nigga. Feeling like I'm about to choke. Look at all this white. I sell coke. I don't play games. I ain't a joke. I'm mean, nigga. Sweet 16, nigga. Take a shit on your floor. That shit green, nigga. And that's my mom, nigga. What up, mom?
Wait. Yo. Did you almost just bust your ass? Wait. No!
Yeah, nigga.
The struggle is real already. Wait.
I don't have no gloves. I'm using something special.
All right, here. Somebody take the camera.
Oh, I already got snow on my head.
Here, T.
Okay.
Oh, don't drop my phone.
Am I? Oh, I'm not even doing it right. Okay.
Ah, shit, right in my ear.
I can't see you, Ken.
Yo, this snow sucks, yo.
Yo, for real, it didn't even stick. How I do it?
Where is she? I can't see her. Oh, there she goes.
How I do the snowboard is went straight to powder.
What? Steven, where are you going over there? I'm gonna smack him, I swear. Kim, let me use mine.
It got in my boob.
Yours is dark.